Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna share with you 3 amazing, delicious, healthy and mouth-watering fruit salad recipes. I am gonna show you how to make royal pineapple salad, this creamy apple salad and mixed fruit salad. These salads are very easy to make and so delicious to eat. If there is any person who doesn't like fruits, we love these salads, I can assure you that. So let's get started. So first I am gonna make mixed fruit salad. Actually this is a basic salad recipe. I mean you can make any fruit or vegetable salad with this recipe. So here I have 1/3 cup apple, 1/4 cup raspberry, 1/3 cup blueberry, 1/4 cup blackberry, half cup red seedless grape, 1.5 cup of orange. You can use any fruit you like. So I kinda crushed those raspberry and blackberries. This will help to combine all flavors together. And my berries are quite sour, so I'm not gonna use lime here. But if you take sweet fruits, then you can use some lime juice in here. Give everything a mix before adding seasoning. I cut those apples in cubes because you won't like big chunk in your salad. If you want a great salad, then you must use some crispy fruits and some soft fruits together. So I'm gonna add some seasoning now. Here I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper. So now I'm gonna mix them all together and that's it. It's ready to serve. So this beautiful color is coming from raspberry and blackberries. Serve immediately after mixing. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is the creamy apple salad. So here I have 1.5 cup of apple and 1.5 cup of banana. So apple is the crunchy fruit here and the banana is kinda soft. So I'm gonna give it a mix and now I'm gonna add of the seasonings. Here I have 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can avoid sugar or you can use honey instead. So give it a mix. Now I'm gonna add freshly crushed 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And give it a mix again and that's it. I'm gonna serve it now. Some black pepper and chili flakes for garnishing. So moving on to the next one. So for royal pineapple salad, I have here 2 cup of really ripe pineapples and I cut those pineapples in cubes. I am adding half tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and I am gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can use green chili instead, but I like red chili flakes in this salad. Now adding freshly chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons. Give it a very good mix now. So now I'm gonna add a magic ingredient here. I'm adding half tablespoon of mustard oil. This mustard oil here is really brings out the flavor of pineapple, and you will love this salad. So I'm mixing everything properly and try to serve this salad right after mixing. The smell is amazing. So I'm adding more chili flakes on top, and that's it. Very easy to make. These 3 salads are very delicious and healthy. So which one is your favorite? Try these recipes at home, and thank you for watching. And if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.